Chair go up? No, it doesn't. Maybe I'll sit on my like crisscross, that way I'm higher up. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a tutorial video on this hairstyle. Look at the bottom. Can you see it? Can you see my Can you guys see this? I did a tutorial on how I created this look, and then I did a tutorial on how to like do like a half up, half down. I need like a thumbnail, so let me pause real quick. I just wanted y'all to see how this hair looked when it was down, because a lot of people like it when it's down and some people like it when it's up. Hope you guys are staying safe during this quarantine. If you're graduating this year, congratulations to the class of 2020. And let's just hope the world doesn't end, okay? Comment below if you want to see anything else, what else you want to see me post on my channel. You hear that? I'm talking way too much. Let's get into the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so the brand that I'm using is SVT hair. This is how the bag looks like. They sent me 3 bundles of 613 hair and 1 frontal. I'm going to show you guys how one individual bundle looks like so you can get an idea of how full their bundles are. And I'm also going to show you guys how the actual frontal looks like up close. For those of you wondering, the hair did come pre-plucked, and this is how it looks up close. So before I start coloring the hair, I like to tone it with Shimmer Lights conditioner. What I like to do is fill up my sink and add the conditioner in there and then just kind of dilute it. And then I put the bundles in there and the frontal in later. And a quick tip, don't use too much of the purple shampoo because then your hair will have purple streaks and we don't want that to happen. All right, this is how it should look when you're done. The hair is nice and toned, and I'm going to do the same thing with the frontal. The dye that I'm using is Adore's Cotton Candy. I'm doing the watercolor method, so I'm going to pour all of the dye into this warm tub of water. And when I'm done pouring, I'm going to just mix the water with my hands so that it's nice and saturated and ready for me to add my bundles in there. Okay, time for the bundles to go into the mixture. I put all 3 bundles in there and the frontal. I kind of let it sit in there for a little bit and move the hair around so that way every area of the bundles and the frontal is completely saturated so that the color really gets in there. Okay, so now I'm going to let it sit in there for about 30 minutes and then I'm going to rinse it out. Okay, for the tips, I'm using Raspberry Twist in Adore, and I'm going to put the color into a little bowl with water in it. I'm just putting half of the color, not the whole thing, because you don't need that much because you are only putting it on the tips. Mixing it up so that way it is nice and diluted, and of course we go and dip the bundles in there. So this is how the hair looks like when it is dry, and now it is ready for you to dip dye the tips. So this step you have to be really cautious. You don't want to go up too high, but you don't want to go too low. So I kind of just go like halfway And I like to just go in and dip it out, so that way it has like a really cool waterfall effect when you style the hair or wear the hair however you want to wear it in the end. So that is what I am doing right now. I'm just, you know, dipping it in, pulling it out, and then squeezing it out with my hands. I should wear gloves, so I advise you wear gloves, but I am not, unfortunately, wearing gloves. But I'm just going to repeat this step over and over again until all the bundles are dyed. So this is my last bundle. When I'm done with this bundle, you guys are going to see the next clip, which will show you guys how to style the hair. I do have a lot of install videos, so you can check out my other videos, but I'm not going to show you guys how I installed it on this video. Hey y'all, I don't know why I did the peace sign, but let's get this crazy hair situated. So, of course, take your hair out looking crazy. Comb it up with a hot comb to basically just lay the hair. I'm doing a side part, so find the perfect spot that you like to do your side parts. This hair did have a lot of parting space with... can't speak. It had a lot of parting space, which I liked, and now I'm going back in with the hot comb. You're gonna see a lot of hot combing and just laying and just hot combing and laying this hair down, but I just wanted to demonstrate how I typically style my hair and lay it. So yeah, I'm going back in with the hot comb to perfect the spot where I want to part it. And the style that I'm doing is I'm gonna do like a half up, half down look, and I'm gonna leave like a little bit of bangs, but I'm gonna swoop it. So I'm going to just basically just work with the hair. You know, it had a lot of flyaways, so I have this little flyaway stick that's gonna lay the flyaways down, and then I'm gonna just keep going back in with the hot comb to just make sure it stays down. Okay, so now I am trying to find where I want to start my half up, half down. So I'm just splitting my hair in half, and I'm going to basically tie the other half up and then obviously leave the other one down. Separating the little bit of hair that I want to like keep as a swooped bang out, and just brushing it up, and you know, go back in with the hot comb, you know, keep repeating the steps. As you can see, that's why I'm demonstrating it. I'm not really that good at voiceovers, so sorry y'all, but I'm trying, you know, my best to really explain what I'm doing. So yeah, I'm going back in, fixing my edges so that way it's nice and sleek. I'm also using mousse to help with the flyaways and just to make the hair look more sleek and put together. And then I'm going to officially tie the hair up. Y'all, this video was so time consuming, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and of course share this video, like this video, and of course subscribe to my channel. Little self promotion there. But yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video as it, you know, continues. You know, I got do little ad-libs here and there. Now we're going to work on the bangs. So what I like to do is get my hair straightener, run it through the bangs, and get the roll brush. I call it a roll brush, probably not call that. Run it through a few times so it's like really sleek straight. And then, of course, try to sleek it down with the hot comb. I love my hot comb. I go back in with the little sleek stick and some mousse. I call it a sleek stick, but it's probably called something else. And this just really helps with getting the hair really nice and flat and just real smooth. And of course, we pin the bangs. I pin one side and then I pull it back and pin the back piece so it's not just sticking out. Now it's time to curl the hair. I'm fast forwarding this part because I do have a tutorial on how I curl my hair with a hair straightener. But if you guys want me to do a new video, a more detailed video on how I curl my hair like this, then definitely comment below and let me know, and I will redo the video and be more detailed about it. But this is just a little quick fast forward clip of how I curled the hair. I'm also going to curl the top half of the hair that I left out. Grab a piece of hair to cover the hairband. You're just going to wrap it around until the hairband is completely covered, and then you're going to spray it with some hairspray. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget again to like and comment, and of course subscribe to my channel. And if you enjoyed the video, please share this video. And also, please let me know which hairstyle you like better. Did you like it down or did you like it with the half up, half down look? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.